Hello, welcome to my channel Senior Prius. Today I'm proudly showing how to clean the air filter of the air conditioner. Are you ready? To start, you have to open the passenger door. For me it's on the right side. You see the lower storage box? Yeah, you have to open it. Let me show you how to open it. Just press the lower button. Then you have to release this one. Let me show you. Done. Okay, you have to remove the whole thing out of that. Surprise! You see this white box? This is air filter. Please take it out. You can clean it any ways you can. If you have air blower, please use it. Or you can replace the air filter with new one if you have. But don't wash it with water. After done, put it back as we did from the beginning. Well done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.